Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. My name's Rebecca, and today we will show y'all what is new and what is restocked at your local Dollar Tree. We are located in the DFW area. I go to several different stores a few times a week and check out what's new. I take pictures, combine them all into one video, and organize them by section. So let's go shopping. Today we'll start with the apparel and accessories. They have these 2-pack of the ankle socks and the junior mints and the hot tamales. They also had some airheads and the Mike and Ike socks. Now, some of them, if you get a crew sock, those are the taller socks. Those you'll just get one pair for the same price point, but they also had some Andes mints, which were new, and quite a few pair of these Bob Ross socks. So the ankle socks, you get 2 pair. They have a couple different designs. This one says, "Let's have fun." These outside painting. They also have little clouds and the mountains and trees in the background. And I love Bob Ross. So what I really like about these socks is they take his hair, his beard, and his mustache, and they make it like a 3D effect. It's actually kind of fluffy, curly, and stands up off of the socks. That's really fun. There's some Looney Tunes socks like Tasmanian Devil, Wile E. Coyote, the Roadrunner, and Daffy Duck. And then they also had some Sesame Street socks. You've got Cookie Monster with just the eyes, or him eating some cookies. They also had Oscar the Grouch in his trash can, or you can get the solid green, red, or blue, which is Oscar, Elmo, and the Cookie Monster. Over in the arts and crafts this week, we've got the jelly ribbon. So this is the 1-inch ribbon, and you get 9 feet on each roll. They have dark black, they have a wine. It is also in a rose color pink, a very soft pale pink, and white. There's a close-up of the colors there. There's the gross grain ribbon. I never say it right. You get 15 feet or 5 yards in white, red, pink, blue, green, yellow, purple, and black. They also had some gingham ribbon and some new fabric. They have this all white with these little blue flowers and then some larger flowers on a white background. They had some 18 by 21 polyester fabric, and they had those in a couple different colors. Look kind of like Valentine's Day colors to me. There is pink, red, and white. There's some new flowers out. What I like about these flowers is they are two-tone with some stripes, and the centers are yellow. Some of them have stars and the rest have stripes. They have pink, really soft blue, lavender, and yellow. They've restocked the wooden animals that move. There's this little fish here. They also have a shark. And then this one here is the lizard, his little feet there. And the last one that I found is the snake. Now for the baby and toddler items. These are over by like the baby bottles and things like that. They had these mermaid flossers, which are berry flavored, and the alligators. You get 60 in a pack. Also, some new baby rattles, the little cow that jumped over the moon. They have them in a couple different colors. You could either get blue, pink, or white. Then they had some fluffy socks and some different characters. We've got SpongeBob, Nightmare Before Christmas. There's the Ninja Turtles, Moana, Barbie, Spider-Man, and Minnie Mouse. And these are all basically like the size for about 2T. They are toddler size, I would say 2 to 4T. And they also had Stitch. Then for the health and beauty, we'll start with the cosmetics first. There's a bunch of these lip balms by LA Color called Froyo Lips. There is the scent mint and coconut, creamsicle, cotton candy, which is the blue one there. We have strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. Then there were the Fruity Pebble makeup brushes in a 4-pack. They weren't completely opened yet. They had the big box open, but they hadn't separated them yet. Then I found these LA Colors Cheeky Peachy, and it is like a cheek and glitter balm, oil, and lip balm. They have some with glitter. They have some with the wand. This is a lip gloss right here. Also, the LA Colors Wildflowers. You get lots of different items here. It's in one of those pop-up cardboard boxes in the aisle. These are the eyeshadow sticks. You can see all the different colors. There's like brown and pink, even some green. They also had some auto eyeliners and the auto lip liners, which are the ones with the white bottom. These are the lip crayons. Lots of different colors, lots of nudes. They had wine, some mauve. These are a lip gloss. It's a plumping lip gloss. They had some clear, some glitter, light pink, and then the roll-on lip oil. Lots of different colors. They had different scents as well. There's like grape and orange, peach. And now for the hair care items, the hair care and accessories. I found this bridal hair collection with a bunch of different hair clips with pearls and gold. So these are the hairpins. You get 5 with a pearl on the end. There's a close up for you. These are like a hair comb with different size pearls wrapped in gold. The hair clips with the pearl flowers. They also had this hair clip with the kind of like an alligator clip on the back. You can get the 2-pack with the pearls. They had the rhinestone barrette and the bobby pin with the rhinestones. It looks kind of like a butterfly. Over in the pharmacy and personal care section, they brought back the spa luxury mineral bath salts. There's the peach berry, candy apple, and vanilla bean. They had these out around Christmas. They also had the body butter, which was really popular, the copper care ankle support, and over in the fun finds, for a few weeks now, we've been seeing the silicone snack trays, which hooks onto like your tumbler cup. They had these as well, and I've seen these at Hobby Lobby. You can see it says it's $5.49, and those were just $1.25 as well. There's also these inspirational tabletop books that you can purchase for your desk, and these little mini box sets with the 2 drawers. They're made out of cardboard and it has those little metal pulls on the front. They had a couple different designs. All of them have this really pretty gold accent, but a bunch of different color schemes. There's some that look almost like a mermaid tail with the gold, a couple that have like a floral effect, some polka dots, and some geometric patterns. For the home decor, there were lots and lots of stores that had the candle holders this week. So they had the traditional white and black ones, which we've seen many times in the past. They all have different bases, so make sure you check through them. If you're trying to get more than one, so you're getting the correct ones that match. Then they have the ones that are more of like almost like a mini cake stand. I really like these ones a lot. They have those in the white and black. These are the ones that hold the tapier candles. It has the smaller hole at the top. They have the two-tone white and blue, and then the mint green and white. Some of them are just the solid light blue or mint, and then the solid white with some speckles. They brought back these mom signs to say mom, brave, and strong. And then for the home, library, office supply, and teaching tree section, they had the Peeps Jumbo coloring book for Easter. It has different games and coloring pages. They had these really fun make a face animals book. It's a sticker book with over 150 stickers. So each page is a different animal, and it has the different stickers that you can decorate their faces with like hats. And there's even like the panda bear has like bamboo and things like that. There's a lion. They had a frog and a sloth and a cow. I like that the cow that has like a cowboy hat and a bandana. I thought that was really cute. There were these 3 hardbound notebooks that have different like treats on the front. There was Best Friends, the Yum Yum, and then this one just has a little cat sitting in a cup with some sweet treats all around. Those are hardbound. There's the Let Me Play Dot to Dot book, which I love for little kids. They're really great for number recognition, counting, and learning to draw straight lines, which helps them with writing their letters and numbers. Also, the color by numbers. These are great books for teaching sight words, for color words, and recognizing the numbers. There's some giant coloring books for Easter. It's also an activity book. There's like tic-tac-toe games and things like that. Then they had these floral bins, and you can get them in blue, pink, green, or gray. For the housewares, maintenance, storage, organization, they had the plastic trash cans. They had those in pink, green, blue, and gray. And then they had these farmhouse style baskets in all 4 colors as well. Some of the kitchen items we've already seen in these colors, but they're slowly putting out more and more of these like baskets and things that match the colors of the like sandwich keepers and yogurt containers, which we saw about a week or so ago. These pillar candles in all the colors of the rainbow. And now for the kitchen and pantry section, they had this 3-pack of sprinkle mix Barbie sprinkles. There's some pudding and pie filling. There is Snickers and the Dove Silky Smooth Milk Chocolate Pudding. Then I found these bottle brush cleaners and cup cleaners. There's the yogurt containers we talked about. Then they had their meal portion. It's got 3 sections, which is great for like meal prep. And they had those in all 4 colors as well: the green, the gray, the pink, and the blue. I also found these plastic cups, which are 20 fluid ounces. It has a lid on top that you can sip through. Then there were these measure equivalents, these little like dough scrapers. It has all the different equivalents to breaking down recipes. The spoon rest with the Disney Frozen. Those are actually ceramic. They had quite a few of them, and I found those at 2 different stores this week. For the party supplies, they had these extra large buttons. They're 5.5 inches around, and they had the one with the birthday cake, the birthday mode on, and the pink one with the balloon says birthday queen. The large cake with the 3 candles says it's my birthday. They also had these really nice gift boxes. They're about an 8 by 10 and about 2 to 2.5 inches deep on the sides. They had lots of pink and silver. I also found these spring fling table covers. They're 54 by 108 inches. They have the floral pattern, which matches the dishes that they have out right now in the front of the store. They also had the gingham in the purple and white and some different garland. There's a bunch of flowers. The tulips are actually made of felt and have a little bit of stuffing, so they have a 3D effect. They had the leaves, a bunch of different plates, which match the napkins. And then they brought back the 6-pack of the Spring Fling flower plates. They're like a cake plate. And they had those in 4 different colors, which they carry these every year. And the colors vary just slightly, but they're usually pretty close to what we see here with the teal, the blue, the purple, and it's like a peachy kind of pink color. They've restocked a bunch of their gift wrap, which was nice because they've been sold out for quite a while. They had some different birthday banners out. These are silver and blue. And then they also had the pink and white. It has like an iridescent finish on it. And some lights it almost looks purple, but they are pink. And then they had a brighter pink with the gold. I'll flip that one over so you guys can see the coloring a little bit better than the packaging. There's also this fringe backdrop. It's 6.5 feet by 38.4 inches. They had the rose gold. You can also get it in silver. They have a really bright pink, almost like a magenta, and the iridescent white. They also had some for Mardi Gras. You get 2 pieces and the Mardi Gras bow tie. They had some confetti. And now for the pet care items. So for the pet care items, they have these really fun dog toys. It's the Adventures, and it has the squeaker inside. There's the hammer. There is this little Spider-Man and Iron Man and Captain America. Now for the seasonal items, they had more of the spring fling items. They have these little trucks that say spring vibes and farm fresh flowers in the yellow and purple. Also the camper, it says bring spring to life. And then there's the bees. And those were all on an end cap. I also found some more banner. There was the butterfly banners, some chair covers. There's the boy bunny with the hat, and then the little girl with the flower by her ear. The color your own tablecloth has a bunch of different activities. Those are 59 by 40 inches. And they had these placemats that the kids can color. I believe you get 12 in a pack. There were also these large bunny stickers to decorate a door. They're showing it on the inside of the house. I put mine on the glass door outside. I will just let you know, I put one in the wrong spot and I kind of wanted to move it over and I had trouble removing it. That's how well it sticks. So I would not put this on a painted door. I'm afraid it would probably remove the paint. The little feet there did not come with the sticker. I actually purchased these outdoor bunny tracks, which are these waterproof bunny feet. and I took two with some double-sided sticky tape and taped them together and then taped them to the door. They also have these foam bunny feet that you can purchase, which are a little bit thicker, and they are stickers. You can stick them down if you want inside the house, but they had, I think, a pack of 16 bunny feet for inside the house that were made out of the foam. There's a whole bunch of these Easter eggs as well for filling for the Easter egg hunts. For the toys and games, they have these large bubble wands. There are dinosaurs and unicorns in a couple different colors. They had these out real early in January and they ran out. And then I see as they're getting closer to like spring, they're putting out a bunch of their spring toys and outdoor toys. They have the bubble wands and lots of different chalk for outside. There's also these little dolls with the wigs. You could get 5 different wigs to change the hair of all these little dolls called Friends Forever. It's the Friends Forever Club, and they have like 4 or 5 different dolls that you can change the hair with that little wig pack that they have. Then I found the orb stretch animals. You can squish them, you can splat them, pose them, stretch them. Lots of different ways you can play with them. They have a pig, there is a dog, and a cat. And they come in a couple different colors like pink, magenta, lavender, and like a mint green. Also, I found these turbo wheels or these mini cars. You get 6 in a pack, and there's fun things like an ambulance, a fire truck. There is a pickup truck or a truck that hauls like wood, a little van. There's a Jeep, like a SWAT Jeep. There's some pickup trucks. They have tow trucks, a flatbed, lots of different trucks there. Over in the Dollar Tree Plus section, which is anything that costs more than $1.25, they have these welcome signs, which are metal. There's the welcome sign with the bees, the hello spring with the watering can. And then there is the welcome sign with all the succulents wrapped around. Those are $5 each. They also have the Zuru Bunch O balloons for $3. You get 20 balloons um, in each pack, and then they have 2 different colors in a pack. You either get the green and yellow, the pink and orange, or the purple and blue. Then on the plastic strip, they had these stuffed little characters from Paw Patrol. They had Rubble, Marshall, Chase, and Sky, and these were each $5. And that is it for today's video. Thank you all so very much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and please leave a comment down below. I hope y'all have a lovely day, and I'll see you back here next time.